What makes a good writing for a play or a movie? How to acquire the skill set? And where to even start? Surely you can fill out pages of information without having any context of the story. Or get a universal framework from us and develop your next epic. In today's topic, we will go over the 11 steps that you could arrange your existing drafts in order to provide a guideline to your first writing projects. Now, whether these writing projects will have the potential to be turned into a movie or a play, these 11 steps remains the same. Hello, drama authors! Welcome to World of Drama, a channel that provides you with the principles of acting, directing, and writing. In early phases of our journey to introduce ourselves to you guys, we have gone a bit unconventional way. Our team is developing personal and social skills of an actor as we speak. Meanwhile, we thought to surprise you with the universal 11-step guide to writing a play or a movie. We will just list these 11 steps so that you have your drafts organized when we go in depth in the upcoming season 2 of World of Drama. Let's begin. Number 1, setting. Number 2, premises. Number 3, protagonist. Number 4, opposing forces in the life of protagonist or antagonist. Number 5, conflict. Number 6, central action. Number 7, inciting incident. Number 8, climax and resolution. Number 9, setup. Number 10, rising action. And number 11, theme. Number 12, this is not a step but a precaution. Try not having a baby, a pet animal, or something wild like an apocalypse or a natural disaster during the early phases of writing. Write it for not more than 2 or 3 people. Also, keep it without starting with profanity and nudity. All the above mentioned 11 steps has to come along together to make a perfect story. You may disregard the order in which they are written and make a flop or a hit. The choice is yours. To see these 11 steps in action, you can go and watch Home Again, starring Reese Witherspoon. Her heartfelt performance is a true honor to acting literature. Until next time on World of Drama.